Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your LH Crypto account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in LH Crypto Login. Now at the address bar, type in LH Crypto Login and click on Enter. Now click on the first link. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a Pro Login button. Click on it. Now a login page will appear where you need to type in your email address on this box here and password here. After typing in your information, you can click on Login button to log into your LH Crypto account. You can also click on this I button to view your password and ensure that you have typed a password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link and follow the procedures to recover your password. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.